it's been a minute since we've talked. I know it's lack of communication. I know you've been struggling with some things with Adelaide. I've not heard much, but I've heard enough to understand. If that makes sense. It's just, I started this thinking, I'm going to have something to say, but I don't. It's kind of, to deal with this, it's kind of hard to put what I'm feeling into, words. If that makes sense. I don't know, it kills me. Yeah, it just... hurts a little bit. It's hard to describe what I'm feeling throughout all of this. Or to describe how I'm feeling. I wish I had something better to say. I wish I had something to say at all, but I don't. Sometimes I wish, you would speak to me a little more directly. But, I guess with what's going on, you just maybe it seems safer for you to just do it from your opinion to, try to be like, I wish you'd be a bit more direct with me, if it makes sense. Not just like, with this, but everything. I wish you were a little bit more open. But, I think we're past a point where, I think we're past a point where that can be solved. Yeah, man. Don't know. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave it here. My mind, I'm blanking. I have nothing to add. I have nothing to say. I wish I did, but close this. It's just, I don't know. My mind's just blanking. I wish I had. I wish. I think is the best thing we have at this point, so I'll leave you to it.